Hi, welcome back. This is going to be like a semi-live show. I'm cooking a portion of chicken tikka chili hot, but without the tikka. I've basically used one large chicken breast and I've cut it very thin. Because it's raw, I want it to cook through very quickly because this is a rapid dish. So let's get started. So first of all, we want to heat up some oil. We've got my base gravy already heated over here and it's thinned out to the consistency that I need it. Right, so let's put the onions in. It's a bit stretched, I think. And we just want to soften the onions down. This can be served as a starter or a main. So now in goes the garlic. Right, so I want this to be a nice smoky dish. So I'm going to put a tiny amount of bottled lemon juice in, just the corner there. And there's a real tiny amount of lemon juice because in total I want about a teaspoon. I would say that was maybe a third of a teaspoon. In go the red and green peppers. You don't want to overcook the veg, you want them to be slightly al dente. We don't want it to be like sloppy and all, we don't want it dissolving in the bowl. Right, quite a few chillies in this, want it nice and hot. In go the chillies. It smells wonderfully smoky already, considering we haven't put any spices in already. So let that cook down. So the onions are going nice and soft already, that's nice. Okay, so this is our spices that we have here. The full recipe can be found on my channel for this. Again, tiny touch of lemon juice. First touch of base gravy. Let's cook that down for a little bit. Right, so I'm going to add the third amount of lemon juice, and this is going to be the last flame effects that we're going to use. Let's put this out a bit. This does take a bit of practice. Sometimes you can make a big mess of the cookery. So right, now in goes all the chicken. This is best served with pre-cooked chicken tikka. I haven't got any, so that's why I've basically made the chicken nice and small so it cooks rapidly. And another ladle of base gravy, or chef's spoon of base gravy. So now we're just going to cook that out a little bit. Okay, so the last ingredient to go in is the Thai sweet chilli. Right, so if you want it extra hot, if you have Mr. Naga or King Naga, you can add some of this. I'm going to put a teaspoon in there. Right, this is ready to serve. Make sure the chicken's cooked. Yeah, that comes through. There we go. Finally, garnish with some fresh coriander. And there we have it, chicken chili hot. Bye.